What's up, man? It's your boy Tony, man. It's Tuesday, 5/25/2021. I'm about to get it live, get it crunk. Fire ass haircuts dropping soon. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. You know how it is. It's raining so hard. But I got my first cut coming right here, man. It's my boy Howard. What's up, Howard? How you doing, man?
What's up, my man?
Alright, so this is Transformation Tuesday. I got my man right here. He's getting his perm. Second Asian in our shop to get a perm, which is. And then once he's all done with that, I'm gonna do a nice fade on the side, and then we'll get that on video too. But as of right now, you see my wife getting down. I'm perming it right now.
Yes, he's been waiting about 5 to 6 months
Yeah.
to grow his hair out so he can have this finished look.
Mm-hmm.
So you guys just hold on tight.
Cause here we go.
Yeah, you'll be seeing his new look.
See it?
See that wall right there? Let's go, man.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It does. So we're back. This is the part where my wife does the first.
The waving solution goes on.
The waving solution goes on.
This is gonna curl the hair. And we gotta saturate each rod.
Each rod in the middle. There goes that smell that I hate.
Tony hates the smell.
But this is it right here.
Kind of smells funky, but it's okay. I'm already used to it.
I don't smell it.
I like it.
What's up, man? I got my boy Howard here. You can see this nice perm on his head. That's wife's work right there. I'm gonna do a nice ball fade on the sides. That's gonna be it. Watch. I don't like this. I'm gonna do one more slow mo. So they can really look at the perm work.
The curls.
Let's get it, man. I'm back with that perm. That perm's done. See the perm on top. Nice ball fade. I'll see the ball fade on the side.
Looks good.
Tony. Well, I did the fade, but my wife on the perm, so I can't take out the credit. But it's peak style. You know, man.
Big style, baby.
Yes, sir.
Big style, baby.
Looks good.
I want my hair like that, man.
So now I'm back with my boy Jaden right here. We're gonna do a nice made fade, 5 on top, crispy edge up. I don't know what it is, man. I ain't gonna say nothing. Let's get it. Now I'm back with that cut. Y'all see it, 5 on top, nice edge up, clean fade on the side. It's gonna be the finished cut, y'all. What's up, man? I'm back, man. I got a new client named Terry. You want to do a 2 against the grain or with the grain?
Yeah.
Okay. So with the grain, we're going to do a 2 with the grain. We're going to do edge up, but it's going to stay natural. We're going to do a nice ball fade on the side. We're going to take it down to shadow length, and we're going to keep the beard full. That's going to be the final cut. And he ain't no Mavs fan, but I am. So there you go, man. We're at the game tonight.
Where are you going to the game?
No, but there's a game. So, man, I'm back with Terry, man. It's the finished cut. 2 with the grain. Edge up. Made a fade up the corners. Put the beard up, everything on point, guys. Still messing that, right?
All right.
What's up, man? I'm back. Back my boy. Alright, later, man. I'm back with my boy Israel. We're gonna do an 8 on top. We're gonna do a nice fade on the side. That's gonna be it, man. I'm back, man. That's my last cut of the day. See the 8 on top, inch on top. Nice mid fade. Clean, everything's clean, bro.